Only balanced power plan available on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and let's fix this issue on Windows 11 or 10. Without further ado, let's begin. So I will show you the two steps. You can easily follow them. The first one is disable modern standby mode. For that you need to check if modern standby mode S0 is enabled. For that, click on search icon at bottom left and type in CMD. And you have to look for the command prompt. Click open or simply run as administrators. Click on yes button and your CMD or command prompt window will open where you have to simply enter the following command. So let me show you. You can easily type power CF space slash A and then copy this command prompt and you need to simply paste here. After that press enter on your keyboard. And once you have done that, you need to look for modern standby mode S0 in the results. If enabled, proceed to the next step to disable it. So let's cross this. And after that, you need to go towards disabling modern standby mode. For that, again open command prompt as administrators on your device. And once you do that, you need to type the following command. So here is the command. You can easily copy and paste this command given on the screen. And now press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you need to restart your computer. This will disable your modern standby mode on your Windows. Once you have done that, you can easily change BIOS settings as well. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup commonly by pressing keys like F to delete or escape during startup. Then go to boot menu and locate the secure boot menu. If you see the OS type option, set it to other OS. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Restart your computer and check if all the power plans are available in the control panel and click on power options. Note if you encounter any issues, you need to revert the changes in your BIOS. And that's it. This method should help you to restore all your power plans on your Windows system. If this guide helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.